Hmm. Hello friends, welcome back to Brain Power classes. This is part 2 of Advanced Web Designing from class 12 Information Technology. In the previous part, we covered CSS ID selector, CSS class selector, then we seen universal selector, group selector, and after that we seen positioning in CSS. There are four types of positioning in CSS. That is static positioning, fixed positioning, relative positioning, absolute positioning. Then we see about the float property. We have three floating properties: float left, float right, float none. Then we seen about display property. In display property, we seen the four values, that is inline block, and null. And now we are going to see about order list or numbered list. So let's get started. Now see, order list or numbered list means by the name only you can come to know. It is about creating a list. It can be numbered. It can be about ordered. So the OL tag defines an ordered list. An ordered list can be numerical or alphabetical, both. So we have attributes of OL tag. First attribute is type. And type value is 1, or it can be alphabetical AI, small I, or capital I. And description is 1 is default value, and other values specify the numbering type or the specific use items. Second attribute we have reverse. Value is reverse. This attribute specifies that the item of the list are specified in the reverse order. Third attribute we have start. Value is number, specifies the starting number of the first item in an order list. Now these three are attributes: type, reverse, start. And now we are going to see an example based on this. Simple doc type HTML. Here we are not using head tag. Doc type HTML, and directly after HTML we are starting body. In body we are taking h3 list of topics. h3 will be displayed on the web page, and then h3 close. For OL stands for order list, so OL tag is started here, and we are here in LI stands for list. Under OL tag, list basics of IT, HTML5, postcard, SQL. As you start the tag, you have to also close that particular tag by hash forward slash. Now here we are closing order list also. And in h3, list of topics start with series 50, h3 close. And how it will start, you can see OL is equal to 50. So all the topics will start from 50, above the 50, 50, 51, 52, 53, like this, not below the 50. So list basics of IT, list close, HTML5 list close, PostgreSQL list close. Now again we are closing order list, body, HTML. Now you can see the output will be displayed like this. You can see list of topics. This was the first. Basics of HTML, HTML5, PostgreSQL. This was the default. And second, you can see list of topics start with series 50, basics of IT 50, HTML5, PostgreSQL. It started above the 50, 50, 51, 52. If you have given the here one number also, it has started from 1, 2, 3. Now see example 2. Dr. HTML body h3 list of topics in reverse sequence. Here we have used the attribute reverse. Now order list reverse, it will get reverse. Basics of IT, HTML5, PostgreSQL. We have used this in list tag. Now we are closing order list, body, HTML. You can see the output like this. output. List of topics in a reverse sequence. You can see 3, 2, 1. This is called the reverse sequence. Whatever numbers you will be giving or you will be writing there, that will get reversed and output will be shown in a reverse manner like this. Now there is an unordered list or bulleted list. Now we have seen the order list that begins with numbers. Now we are going to see about unordered list or bulleted list. An unordered list created using the UL tag, and each list item starts with the list tag, that is LI. The list item in unordered list are marked with bullets, small black circles by default. See, there is here they have given one example. Doc type HTML. Here we have taken head. Under head we are taking title examples of HTML unordered list, title close, head close. Now we are opening body, H3 HTML unordered list, H3 close, and we are starting UL tag, that is unordered list. Under unordered list basics of ID, HTML5, PostgreSQL. Now we are closing here UL tag, that is unordered list, body close, HTML close. You can see the output will be like this. This is the default circles. If you want, you can take another also. You can take, there are multiple unorderly signs bullets. Here these circles get are by default one. Now we are going to see attributes of unordered list tag. See, attributes, value and description. Type is equal to disk / circle / square. Use style CSS. Instead of type attribute in HTML5, type attribute is supported previous version of HTML5. Now these three attributes you can use, that is disk, circle, square. One by, you can see in values they have given how to use that also. Style is equal to list, style, type, disk. This is used by like this. UL unordered list style is equal to list, style, type, disk. Style is equal to list, style, type is equal to circle. It will be like this. Under it can be used like this. UL style, list, style, type, circle. Style is equal to list, style, type, circle, square. This is the format they have given, how to use the particular tag in that, attribute in that, and these are the descriptions of that. Style is equal to list, style, type, disk. This will set the list item marker to a bullet by default. Another, you will this style is equal to list, style, type, circle sets the list item marker to a circle. Then another we have style is equal to list, style, type, square sets the list item square to a square. UL style is equal to list, style, type, none. The list item will not be marked. It will just the list will come, but there will be no symbol. So these are the four attributes. There is disk, circle, square, and none. Keep all these four attributes in mind, and these attributes can be can be asked in exam, in 2 correct, single correct, 3 correct answers, and it can be also come in match the pairs or true or false also. Now here they have given one note. HTML5 does not support bullets, circles and square values of type attribute. Instead you use CSS style. It means HTML is not allowing, or it is not supporting for bullets, circles and squares. So default value will be there, or you can use instead of CSS style we can use for that if we want bullet, circles and squares. Now we have another point, that is definition list. To define a definition list, DL tag is used. DL tag stands for definition list. You can create items in definition list with the DT and DD tags. The DT tag is used to define the term, whereas the DD tag is used to define the term's definition. Now you can see here they have given one example. Doctor HTML head title definition list, title close, head close, body open. We have taken H3 tag, example of HTML definition list, H3 close. Now we are using DL, that is definition list. Under definition list, we are taking DT, that is definition of DT is define the term. DT in bold format, web, big bold close, DT close. Now we are taking defined definition, that is DD, the part of the internet that contains website and web page. It will be the content under DD tag, and DD close. DT open, again we are using bold HTML, bold close, DT close. Under again DD tag, we are taking this content, a markup language for creating web pages, DD close. Now again we are opening DT, again we are using bold tag, CSS, bold close, DT close. Again under define definition, define the definitions term, the term's definition, DD tag is used. A technology to make HTML look better, it is the content under this, and DD close. Now we are closing the definition list, body, HTML. Now you can see the output will be like this. Examples of HTML definition list. These are web, HTML, CSS. These are the DTs, that is definition terms, and whatever written under below here, that is definition. DD, define the terms definition. This will come like this in a proper form. Now we have another point, that is nested list. List within another list, either order list or unordered list, is called a nested list. This definition can be asked in exam, or it can come for true or false. Now nested list example we have single level nested list. First example is Doctor HTML head title. Examples of HTML nested list: title close, head close, opening body. Under body we are using heading 3, HTML nested list. It will be displayed on a web page. After that we are starting the OL tag, that is the order list. Under order list we are taking introduction to IT under list tag, introduction to IT, introduction to DBMS, list close. Then after that we are using unordered list in between. This is only called that nested list. Under one list we are creating another list, that is called the nested list. So after OL tag we are taking UL under only. UL style is equal to list style type circle. These all items will come in circle. List, definition of DBMS, applications of DBMS, advantages of DBMS. All list tags are closed. After that we are closing UL tag also, that is unordered list. And after that we are taking continuing with OL tag, that is list, PostgreSQL, list close. We are closing OL tag, body tag, HTML tag. You can see the output will be like this. This is called the nested list. List another list. List in the another list is called the nested list. This all have come in numerical, numbers. But for this we have used UL. That's why these have came in circles. This is called nested list. Now we have example 2. This is multi-level list. Now we have seen single level, we are going to see the multi-level. Doctor HTML head title nested list, title close, head close, body open. Under body we are using heading 3, multi-level list needed list, nested list. Heading 3 close. After that we are starting UL tag, that is unordered list. In under unordered list we are taking list tag, daily computing, web design. And after that we are starting OL tag, that is ordered list. HTML5 hyperlink, inserting images, list close. And we are closing here now OL tag also. Still UL tag is open. List, JavaScript, list close. Now we are using here under list unordered list tag. UL style is equal to list style type is equal to circle. Now conditional structure, this will come in circle. UL style is equal to list style type square. If statement, if else statement, case statements, these three will come in a square. UL close, that is unordered list close. After that, list loop statement, list close. After that, we are closing UL tag 2 times as we have opened 2 times that. After that, we are closing body HTML. You can see this type of things will come. This is multi-level nested list because we have here use numbers. We have used both tags, unordered list and numbered order list. But in order list we have used this 1, 2, 3. But in unordered list we have used two to three things. Daily computing, this type of circles are default, and these conditional, these are we have taken, and these squares also. This is called a multi-level list. In a same code, we can take many attributes. We can use many attributes. That is called a multi-level nested list. Now we are going to see how to inserting audio and video in HTML file. How to insert it, how to set width to it, height to it, how to add it, how to use its various attributes, and what are that. So first of all, HTML5 new specification enables users to have a far more control over audio on web pages. HTML5 features include native audio and video support without the need for Flash. HTML5 includes special element tags allowing to include video and audio and to define controls. In a HTML5 document, we can insert audio and video both. Now we are going to see about common audio formats, that are MP3, AAC, OGG. What stands for MP3? An audio format from MPEG. That is, MPG stands for moving or motion picture experts group. Many times full forms of short forms are asked in exam, so keep that in mind. MPEG stands for moving or motion pictures expertise group. Second, we have AAC, that is advanced audio coding, standard format on iPhone, YouTube, etc. And after that we have third, that is OGG, an open container and free audio format. So these three are common audio formats, that are MP3, AAC, OGG. Now we are going to see about audio tag. This audio element enables audio tag. The audio tag element enables you to embed or add audio files on web page. Declare the audio tag and specify the source attribute with the audio file location. Syntax is here you can see the syntax to add audio on web page. See, in angular bracket audio src stands for source, is equal to, in double inverted comma, whatever the file name or path will be, here you have to add, and file is whatever name it is saved, MP3 or ACC or OGG, you have to give that also. And after you have to add type also. Type is equal to, it can be audio / MPEG, and you have to add control attribute also. It will give controls on web page. After that, close audio. After as you use this tag and add a specific source to it, it will display audio on web page. Now you have note autoplay controls mutate are without any values. Browsers have their own policies. Autoplay attribute is supported by Microsoft Edge or Firefox when the permission from privacy and security panel is set as allow audio autoplays. Some browsers queue, some don't. Now see attributes of audio tag. Here some attributes are without values. Autoplay, this audio will start playing as soon as it is ready automatically. Controls, the audio control should be displayed, that play, pause button, etc. It will be displayed on web page if you use control button. Loop, the audio will start over again every time it is finished, again and again. Muted attribute is use. This specifies that the audio output should be muted. SRC, it has value, that is URL, uniform resource located, specifies the URL of the audio file. This is a source of audio file. If any mistake you make in source, the web page, on web page you will not see the audio. Same for video also. So source you have to give up properly. Example, doc type HTML, HTML body, paragraph tag, audio sample, paragraph close. After that we are using audio controls. Now we have started audio tag. We have used audio tag with controls, audio controls. And source src is equal to s.mp3, type is equal to audio slash mp3, audio close, body close, HTML close. This type of output you will be seeing on web page. Now, in previous code, the control attribute is used to add audio controls such as play, pause, and value. The source element is used to specify the audio files which the browser may use. Now, adding audio with multiple sources. Now, in this example, we will be seeing or watching how all multiple sources are used. Multiple sources of audios are specified so that if the browser is unable to play the first source, then it will automatically jump to the second source. Now for that, source tag is used. The source tag is used to specify multiple media resources for media elements. It is used with audio and video both. Here you can see example, doc type HTML, HTML body, under p tag we are writing audio samples, paragraph close. Audio controls autoplay, this is first attribute. Source src is equal to test.mp3, type is equal to audio slash mp3. Same we have ogg, and that after that opus, audio close, body close, HTML close. If mp3 don't runs, it will jump to ogg. If ogg don't runs, it will it will jump to opus. Audio file, same output will be like this, but if one source is not played, it will jump to another one. Now we are going to learn about the video tag. The HTML video tag is used to embed video into your web page. It has several video sources. There are 3 different formats that are commonly supported by web browsers, that is .mp4, .ogg, and .webm. Syntax: video src is equal to URL, controls, video close. Now here's attributes of video tag. Attribute values description. src has value URL, defines link to video file. Autoplay attribute specifies that the video will start playing as soon as it is ready. Controls specifies that video control should be displayed such as play, pause button, etc. Height in pixels, it has value is pixel, sets the height of the video player. Loop value is value, specifies that the video will start over again every time it is finished. Muted, the video will keep muted. Specifies that the audio output of this of the video should be muted. So these are attributes of video tag: src, autoplay, controls, height, loop, muted. Poster attribute, value is URL, description specifies an image to be shown while the video is downloading or until the user hits the play button. Preload has 3 values: auto, metadata, none. Specifies if and how the author thinks the video should be loaded when the web page loads. Last attribute is width. value is pixels, sets the width of the video player. It sets the width. The source tag is used to specify multiple media resources for video as well as audio elements. Here is the one example for video tag. Docker HTML body video width is equal to 320, height is equal to 240, controls. We are setting here height and width for particular video. Otherwise, it will be displaying the whole. It will be taking the whole page, web page. Source src is equal to movie.mp4, type is equal to video/mp4. All three sources we have used here. OGG also we have used. Sorry, two sources we have used, mp4 and OGG. Your browser does not support the video tag. Video close, body close, HTML close. The output will be like this. This is the output of video tag. In this video, we see about order list, unordered list, definition list, and then we see nested list. In nested list, we see two types. That is two examples. That is a single level nested list and multi-level list. After that, we see about inserting audio and videos in HTML file.